Governor, therefore, demanded that the golden stool should be brought for him to sit on it. If the nation gave the golden stool to Nana Prempa, the first to sit on, why didn't they bring it to him to sit on? He therefore demanded it as a right. He continued that, though the government had not received the golden stool yet, he would rule the nation with all the power and strictness at his disposal. After the governor, Sir Frederick M. Hodgson, made his request, all the chiefs were sitting down and could not utter a word. His statement was greeted with a moment of silence, followed by murmuring and giggling. He therefore gave a chance to anybody who had a question to ask. According to oral tradition, it was here that Nana Ya Asantewa, Queen Mother of Ejiso, who was acting as the chief of Ejiso following the deportation of Nana Kofi Afrane I,